Hi friend, you're welcome to my channel. It's just a quick tutorial on how to make the side drawstring, as you can see. So I have a blouse I'm making, and this blouse extends even below the hip, and that's 1 inch hemming allowance there. So from there I'll measure up to where I want this drawstring to start from. For now I just marked 10 inches, although I later increased it, and I'm going to notch it for easy identification. This is the front and the back put together. I'm going to notch it, and then that 1 inch hemming allowance, I've gone ahead to use it to hem the blouse. You first of all hem the blouse, okay? Then we'll create the drawstring. Here I have 1.5 inches width, and the length is 26 inches. All right, and I have it into 4 places. So you're going to fold it just the way you do bias. Fold the 2 sides, and then you fold again to seal the raw edge. Then I'm going to sew along. All right, that's just to create the drawstring itself. I have it into 4 places, like I said already. So while sewing these, and you will get to end, you just fold, the tip of it, and you continue just to seal the raw edge there. Then I'll continue sewing. After that, now I want to start sewing. So you're going to put the front and back together, and you sew the side with the allowance you gave. In my case, I gave 1.5 inches side allowance. This will help me have a good channel. All right, so you've seen I've gone up from that place. I went up again by 1 inch. All right, so like I said, 1.5 inches side allowance to give you enough room to create the channel. And this is how I'm going to fold it. I'm done folding it, and I've pinned it to create the channel to pass the drawstring. Okay, so after that I'll start sewing. You can either sew from the front or you sew from the back. I'll start sewing just as I'm showing you until I get to that point where I'm going to stop, back stitch, then start sewing the other side again. So for this, channel is created already. So this is it from the front side. Okay, that's how to create a channel. When you are done, you're going to use your safety pin to pass in the drawstring, just as I'm showing you now. Just put it inside that place and just take your time and keep passing it into the channel you've already created. And when you get to the end of it, so I'm taking out my safety pin, and yeah, this is it. I'll first of all use a pin to secure it there so that it will not pull out, okay? And you're going to do the same thing for the other side. After that, this is what I have. Then I'll go ahead and top stitch on that place to hold the drawstring in the channel. Top stitch. That'll be all, and this is it. This is what we have. That's the same way you're going to do the other side. And yeah, with this we've come to the end of this tutorial. You can see that the other side. So if you are interested in the full tutorial of this very blouse, I'm going to put up the link on the top right. Click there and it will take you to the tutorial. You can see it's a V scrub neck, and it also have a trouser, a palazzo pant with also a drawstring. So if you are interested, I'll put the 2 links together. Okay, so take care of you. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, and share. Bye.